is the purpose of the pad for rug? This pad actually says every rug needs a rug pad. That's not true. The whole purpose of the pad when you buy the rug is stopping your rug from moving or getting wrinkled. Some rug is so thin, something like this, that is gonna move, especially if the size is small, is gonna move or is gonna get wrinkled. But if your rug is thick, right, like this, you see is at least like a little bit less than a ½ inch, especially if this rug is big, for sure you don't need a pad. Then let's say you need a pad and you decided to go and purchase a pad for your rug. There's so many different pad and terminology out there that you need to know what you're purchasing. There's one pad, we call them waffle pad, which there's a hole in it and it's typically like this. It can be thin, very thin, but it's still there's a hole in it like this. These are cheap pad. You can buy them in Lowe's, Home Depot, or even TJ Maxx carries it. But the problem with these pads, it has a permanent damage on your wood floor. Means after 2 years when you're moving the rug or you want to clean your rug, when you move the pad, you're gonna see this exact pattern on your wood, which with mopping it wouldn't go away, and you need to resand it or refinish your wood floor. And we don't recommend at all. We don't even carry. I have a sample just to show you what does it mean waffle pad. This pad, waffle pad, we don't want to purchase it even for the machine made, because it has nothing to do with your rug. It's going to have a permanent damage on your wood floor. And the other pad also that some rug company carries is this one, which is thick, and then this originally they used it for carpet, wall-to-wall carpet, and now some people they're selling for rug. The problem with this one, it has a height in it and it's so thick, and then when you add this one under a thick rug, it's gonna be very high, and then with vacuuming or walking, especially with the walker or wheelchair, it's very uncomfortable, and also we don't like this pad. Another problem with this one, there is a small tiny space between all these fibers, which is a perfect nest for the carpet beetle. Means if in some states like Kentucky and then places that is very humidity, if you're using this pad, after 2 years, maximum 2 years, you need to throw it away because it's not cleanable. But I'm sure there is some stuff that can go in it and make a nest. Then what is the good pad? If you need pad, which line you should go? In last 28 years that we're in this business, the best pad we have, and then we never had a problem with the rug, neither the floor, is this kind of pad. It's very thin and it's solid. And it comes in a big roll, and then no matter what size your rug is, we can cut it to the inches. When I said no matter what size, because most of the rugs comes from overseas and they're using metric system, means it's gonna be 9.2 by 12.2 or like 8.11 by 11.10. With this roll, then we don't have to cut it, and if it's shorter than the rug, it's gonna be a bump. Let's say, I'm gonna show you. If the pad is smaller than the rug, here there is a bump, and this bump with the traffic is gonna hurt the rug, because each time you're walking on the bump, and it's gonna wear and tear the rug more than the other area. This we recommend for machine made, for handmade, for antique, and it won't hurt your rug, neither your floor. Thank you.